As soon as you start to exercise, your body quickly learns that it needs more oxygen and glucose in the cells to make energy that the body can use to keep going. Your body quickly receives messages from parts of your body, including your carotid arteries, or the blood vessels leaving your heart and heading towards your brain, and also your kidneys and pancreas as blood travels through these organs carrying oxygen, carbon dioxide and glucose. A special division of the nervous system manages the entire operation of getting oxygen and glucose to your cells so that they can keep powering the body to keep going. This special division is called the autonomic nervous system, and there are two parts: the parasympathetic part and the sympathetic part. The sympathetic part manages the organs that respond to stress, exercise and injury. This part of the nervous system manages the heart to keep pumping faster, and it also manages the parts of the body that are needed urgently, for example the digestive processes. Rather than waste energy allowing the body to continue to digest, instead of all the energy that is made, it is used to keep the heart pumping and to keep the muscles moving. The parasympathetic part of the autonomic nervous system manages the body after exercise, or when we are relaxing, resting and digesting. Our heart rate slows down and digestive processes begin. Extracting glucose from our foodstuffs enters the bloodstream via the villi and the small intestine. Glucose travels to the pancreas and the blood, and depending on the level of glucose that is present, will inform the pancreas on what actions it takes to maintain a normal blood glucose level. So how does this all tie in with homeostasis? Receptors are specialist nerve cells located throughout the body. Some are located in the carotid arteries and some in the kidneys. As blood travels through these areas, the nerve cells send the message they are receiving to a structure in the brain, usually the medulla oblongata or the brainstem. And the brain then sends a message in the form of a nerve or a chemical neurotransmitter to different parts in our body to respond to the change. The response might be that the heart is encouraged to pump faster, which would be great news. Therefore the oxygen will get to our cells faster. But if our heart stays in this mode, it being a muscle itself, unfortunately it will eventually get tired and run out of fuel. It is dangerous therefore for our heart to continue to beat faster for a longer period of time. Without the instruction from the nervous system to slow down our heart, it will eventually beat its last beat. So to manage this type of situation and others like it, our body has a process that controls extreme situations like this one. The process is called homeostasis, and it literally means same state, or staying the same. What this means is that the chemicals or the environment in which our cells live must stay the same. If there are changes to the environment, then our body manages these changes through the instructions of the nervous system or the autonomic nervous system. When we begin to exercise, our body is capable of receiving a lot of different messages from different parts of the body, and these encourage different types of changes to occur all at once. In order to learn about these changes, it is important if we take a step back and learn about these changes separately.
Created using Powtoon.